Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are searching for some amazing discounts or coupon codes here, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on Ocado, so where they are also giving us some coupon codes that you can find it here this is the coupon code. You can simply click on copy button here, and this is the official website. You can see ocado.com where they are actually giving you some discount coupon code that you can use at the checkout. So also there are more here in the Ocado official website. They are also giving us the first shop. For first shop you can use this voucher plus enter. You can find this for your free bottles of wine. And the second shop, here it is. For third shop you can find this code here. Fourth shopping for this, and fifth and sixth also. So you can simply click on add, and €10 will be deducted from each bill. So that's pretty cool. They are also giving away some coupon codes and also some third-party website that can help, like glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount code/Ocado. You can follow this URL and you can find this page where you can find lots of coupon codes that are usable, and you can find the last verified date here that is most updated here. And simply click on this show discount code and you can find the details here. Simply click on it and it will show you the discount code, and it will actually, there is a discount code. It is at the discount page link that of half price. You can see all prices are half here, the half price. So it is just embedded the discount page link with this button, so you can redirect it to the discount page. So that's how you can browse each and every from here. This is actually for discounts, and you can get coupon by simply click on get coupon, and here is some coupon. You can simply click on copy and try it at the checkout one by one and see which one actually work for you. Now the second one is the couponfollow.com/site/ocado.com, where you can also find some updated coupon codes according to this. Here you can see that it is more updated. Now currently this is the activated coupon code that is collected by the coupon follow. So you can go to the coupon follow this this here, and also you can use the search bar and simply search for ocado.com and you can find it here. Now you can find the button beside the details of the code, and this code is verified here. So simply click on save promo code, and so it will reveal the promo code here. Simply click on copy and it will also redirect you to the Ocado website where you can copy it and you can use it. So this is actually the same that according to Ocado that they have collected. So you can try more out of here like this, but they might get expired, so you can try one by one and see which one actually work for you. Now the third one is hotukdeals.com/vouchers/ocado.com, where you can find more deals and discounts. That is pretty awesome, and those are actually exclusive, and there is a verified mark. That means these are verified, but this code is not verified and it will expire soon. But this is verified and it is also expired soon, and it is exclusive right now. So you have to simply click on see code and it will reveal the code for you. Here it is. Simply click on copy code and it will automatically redirect you to the official website where you can redeem this code whenever you are going to check out. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.